So this is the, I don't know what setting this is, but it's spraying out good. This is the other one. I don't really know the name of these. I barely just got this. It's my first time, but I like it already. It was a very simple setup. It was very easy, even though I kind of didn't understand it, but I still was able to do it. And then there's this one. Okay, that's the third one I just used. And here's the hard one that everyone's talking about, that you can rinse your shower off. See that? Very nice, I like it. I haven't took a shower. I can't wait to try it, but it's gonna feel nice. See all the settings? It's so pretty too. Then it has a button so you can stop and wash whoever's hair, your animal, your kids, yourself. And then you got the button right here, and you do it again. Very easy. And then I installed it myself. Which was a little hard, I didn't get it, but then I did it, and well, we got no leaks. So that's how nice that works.
Serious issue. Never done anything to damage this. Doesn't even touch the ground. And I went to turn it on the other night and it exploded. It completely broke. I haven't even had this 5 months. I can't use it anymore. I won't even try to show you. You can imagine the mess that is. Please send me a new one.